How to fix why you can't send friend requests on Facebook. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue many Facebook users face, why you can't send a friend request. It's super frustrating, but don't worry, I've got the solution for you. Before we dive into the fix, let's quickly talk about why you might having the trouble sending friend requests in the first place. There are several reasons this can happen, from Facebook's privacy settings to restrictions on your account. Don't worry, we'll walk through all the possible causes and how to fix them. Here are a few common reasons you might not be able to send friend requests. You've sent too many friend requests in a short period of time. You've reached the maximum number of friend requests. The person has set their privacy to prevent friend requests, or your account has restrictions due to violating Facebook community standards. Now, alright, let's fix the issue. If you've been sending a lot of friend requests lately, Facebook may temporarily block you from sending more. So let's check if this is the issue. If you sent a lot of requests and they haven't accepted, you might be temporarily restricted. Go to the friends section, tap on friend request and go to three dots and click on view sent request. You can find here all the sent requests. Now if that's not the case, let's move on to the next step. Facebook limits the number of active friends you can have at one time. If you've reached the limit, you won't be able to send more requests until some of them are accepted or declined. Head over to your friend request page. You might see that you've already sent too many or some are still pending. To fix this, just wait for people to accept or decline your request and you'll be able to send more soon. Another reason you might not be able to send a request is that the person you're trying to add has set their privacy settings to prevent friend request. Visit the friends profile and see if they have restrictions on who can send them friend requests. Some people set the account so that only the friends of friends can send requests. If you're not friends with someone's friends, you won't be able to send a request. In this case, you can try messaging them first or wait for mutual connections to introduce you. Now, if none of these above apply, it's possible that your account has been restricted by Facebook for violating community standards. If Facebook has placed restrictions on your account, you may see a notification or warning in your inbox or your notification center. This could be because of inappropriate behavior such as sending too many requests in a short period of time or violating Facebook's terms in any other ways. And that's it. Now you know the common reasons why you might not be able to send friend requests on Facebook and how to fix them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.